Pepper's gonna help.
Now, I don't think I'm building this right.
Well, it's because you're not giving River the opportunity to help.
She's helping.
Tell him that's the way it's supposed to go over there.
Did it come with written instructions?
Probably,
Well,
but typical of a man. They're not.
you're not supposed to use instructions when you can.
Yeah, right.
Motor skills right out one.
That's what I need.
Could you please repeat that, sir?
Where's the treasure?
Oh, I thought you was fixing to say, "Where's your man card?"
Ooh. Do that. Hook. You put him on the boat.
So everybody wants to be a part of this.